That'd be cool.
Oh, I thought you fell in the toilet or something. Come on, we got business to do. We got a car to buy. Turn it off.
Okay.
Here, I'll help you out.
I would have got something.
Yeah, get your shoes on.
Oh gosh.
Alright, so we're heading to pick up our first flip car. We're picking up a 82 Ford Wagon LTD. We're gonna rod it out, make it like a hot rod.
Drift slide.
Yeah, it should be pretty badass. So we'll see how it goes.
Got a little bit of a drive still, so.
Yep, morning tradition. Coffee. Said no eggnog either. No fucking eggnog. It's gone.
Good.
The fucking eggnog's gone.
Thank fucking God.
Oh, it's fucking sad days. Sad days. It's like breakfast in a cup, you know, with the eggnog. Eggs for breakfast.
Trying to catch another bite with another load, and I'm burning through the lights. Baby, what a lie. Driving through the night, living like a rebel on a road. You know it's grind time, rolling the pipeline, chasing another dollar. I'm earning every time, mile after mile.
Driving around, looking for the first flip right now.
There it is. There's the poop brown front end sticking out.
You see her sticking out
of the big old Ford.
The big old boat. Oh, look at that little green S10.
It's like it's gonna be like National Lampoon's Holiday Road. Oh, and there's some packs of cigarettes in the dash. That thing is clean. All right, we gotta go
walk around. We just pulled up on the Ford Wagon.
Did you already call him?
I texted him, let him know we're here. It's got a little leak in the back window, I noticed here right off the bat. That wasn't in the ad, so. I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see a puddle of water through there.
It looks like those are feet there.
Yeah, they fold up, I think, too, but I'm digging the roof rack, dude. The chrome.
You don't think we should take that off?
No, I think we should add to it. Put a roof rack on there and strap a barbecue and cooler onto it, maybe a little drift trike, too. I'm stoked, dude. It's already pretty low, too.
Yeah, need a set of rims.
That's where she was.
Fill in those wheel wells.
Can't read what year it was, but she'll be at another car show soon.
So far, the only it's got that, but that's not bad.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I've seen a little bit of damage on that back corner, too, right where you're at.
Yeah.
Clear coat's peeling on the hood. That's about the only part. As long as it's got signatures.
Yeah, you just have to sign it. Oh, wait, you don't have the. Where's the title at?
The title is right there. Take that. Did it burn out? Already burned out? Oh, yeah. Can't do a test drive without doing a burnout.
Wait, so you snip it like over?
Like a drift? Slit it tight.
Can we do that?
Huh?
I want to do that. I want to do time.
Let the cameraman ride with me back in the station wagon. He's like, I want to do a drift. Like, can we do that? I was like, I already did it. Spin it sideways. Like an honest guy.
Yeah. No, I don't. No,
If we have a problem getting the title, like, we'll bring in.
So, I mean,
Not with a truck that noticeable running around. No, just kidding.
people would find me hella quick. So, would you be willing to take 400 for it, or?
You know, man, I'm really trying to get another vehicle so I can drive the boy around.
Yeah.
And wife, so how about 5?
Actually, 5. 5? Yeah, we can do that. Oh, man, that's good. I'll give you. I actually got a card with my channel. I'll do one better. Yeah. You've probably even seen that rig driving around in our house, that big black bus.
Oh, no shit. Okay. I think I know what you're talking about.
It's the only black short bus around town. I haven't driven it for about a year though, because it's a big bus.
I'm driving the 1982 Ford LTD station wagon. I don't know what they called these things back then, but it's a station wagon. It's a wagon. Joey's back there in the dirt mix. It's a boat. It's clean, but it's a boat. And it's got plenty of ponies, that's for sure. We're going 55 right now. We're going to turn onto this back road here and open her up a little bit. If I can. See if we can spin the tires a little bit. Driving the station wagon. Cruising the station wagon down the back road right now. We got behind somebody, so we're stuck at 55. We're gonna give him some time, see if he either speeds up or gets out of our way here soon, or else we're gonna pass it coming up pretty quick here, because I wanna open this fucking station wagon up and see what this thing can do. Everything works in this thing. I got the heater going on my feet right now and the defrost on the windows. Radio works. Select, I'll put it.
Look at hang on. Save $20. Price includes installation by Car Choice Expert.
Put the noise in the back there. You might be able to hear me talk. Everything works. Seals are a little bit toast. You might be able to do that. But, so we're going to give this guy some time. Coming up in a second, though, here, we're going to pass this clown. Granted, 55 is over the speed limit already, but like I said, I want to really open this thing up and see what she sounds like, what she can do. So once those headlights up there get in front of us, or behind us, we're going to go ahead and make the move here. I'll go ahead and put my turn signal on now to indicate that I am going to... Oh man, there's another set of headlights back there. One more car and then we're going to go. I'm going to start accelerating right now. Oh yeah, dude. She's got plenty of ponies, that's for sure. Turn it back over. Say, look at, we almost got that speedometer maxed out now. Bring her on down. Don't want to get a ticket out here in the sticks, but oh yeah. I'd say she's got the potential to be a good little drift slut.
Well, here we are on our way back with the LTD wagon. So here's the beast. Our very first flip. Runs great. Made it home. No issues. It is a Ford, so it's kind of surprising, but it did make it, and it runs great. It's actually got a pretty good looking Ford engine in there, 302. Basically the Mustang engine. All you gotta do is throw a 4-barrel carb on there. Right now it's just got a little 2-barrel. We'll go ahead and fix that. It's got a good battery. Needs a little timing, but other than that, sounds great. Now that it's all warmed up. What?
I think she's running a little bit rich, but
yeah, we'll fix it.
She's a little more fuel than me.
Doesn't seem like it's getting hot or anything, does it?
No. That's what I was worried about. Oh no, that fucking radiator's cold.
Hell yeah.
It doesn't have a temperature gauge, so I have to look one of those up.
Yeah, I usually always buy a temp gauge. Just like I did with my Cadillac, I just mount it on the dash. Those idiot lights always suck. Yeah, this thing is pretty gangster. Parking the wagon in its temporary home. Give it a couple revs. Oh, that thing sounds nice, dude. Oh, that's a strong motor. All right.
Fix that mirror though too, 'cause it's such a boat you can't see shit.
Oh, I know you have to actually turn your head and look all the way out the window and shit.
I think I can smell. Well, it might be my house with all the gas cans around here, but I felt like I could smell gas while I was in it though.
It didn't. I couldn't smell it from behind, so unless it has a fuel leak.
Yeah, look at that. It does have a fuel leak now you mentioned, because that's where I smell it right in front of it. Look at those are fucking fuel drips all over.
Oh, son of a bitch.
Carbureted though, dude. Probably easy.
Oh well, yeah, it's not gonna be that big a
Doesn't have
deal.
a full tank anymore.
Did the lift up, push in and lift up on it, or something? Did you lock it or something?
I don't think so.
We're gonna have to replace that too.
Yeah, I might break it before we replace it.
Put it on the list. Just get it from the other side. Oh, you got it. Yeah, there's the trick to open it.
Hey,
Oh, then your door ding in the other
stupid
Ford.
ass fucking station wagon. Watch my truck.
Yep, picked up this beast for 500. He was asking 7, stole it for 5.
Steal too. Don't know if it's 162,000 or just 62,000, but she runs like 62,000.
Now we're about to head off to go get our second deal, Volkswagen Passat.
Alright, well that was the end of the first video there. We got a part 2 to that one coming up because we had a long day. Yes, that was yesterday for us. Long day, so the first video is just the first flip for us. We ended up picking up a second flip yesterday, but had way too much footage to put it all into one clip, one video for you guys, and it basically sums up the first one. So we'll have a part 2 coming to it of what else we ended up picking up yesterday, and what we're gonna end up working on that one first. I think we've kind of got it situated over next door at my house. We'll be working on that tomorrow. So.
Yep, and if you made it this far through the video, then chances are you like it and you'll probably watch our next one. So subscribe to our channel on YouTube and make sure you like our videos and tell your friends about it. And